Welcome back to another video in our YouTube channel. We are at Kalangut beach here and we have just parked our car and it's quite sunny out here. Temperatures of 33 degrees. This is the Kalangut beach parking. So plenty of parking space here for cars and bikes. They charge 100 rupees for parking each car. Quite expensive, I feel. So lockdown restrictions have been lifted in Goa and now you can travel to Goa without any COVID test or quarantine. So you can easily come to Goa. This is the Kalangut beach street, so you can see small hotels here. Right outside the beach, if you are planning to stay in Kalangut, this is the best option here, the Kalangut Residency. This is a Goa Tourism Development Corporation Limited venture. As you can see, after lockdown, tourists have started to come and Goa is looking lively again. At Kalangut beach we have pay toilets here, so there is no issue. So to get to Kalangut beach is a 15 to 16 kilometer journey from Panjim. You can use public transport from Panjim bus stand, or you can use a private taxi or rent a bike. From the Goa airport it's around 43 kilometers to reach Kalangut. As there is no Ola or Uber here, but you can use the local government app that is used for taxis here, that is the Goa Miles app. So please install the Goa Miles app if you wish to use something like Ola and Uber. It's not Ola Uber, but it's a good app. So if you want to travel by taxi and get the same features like Ola and Uber, you can use the Goa Miles app. The cheapest way to reach Kalangut is by public transport. That will be the bus from Panjim. It will be around 30 to 90 rupees. There are a lot of tattoo studios here out in Kalangut, so if you like to have a permanent or a temporary tattoo, you can always check out here. The roadside stalls are amazing, so if you like to shop, you have lots of options out here. So the guy was asking me to get a tattoo and I don't like tattoos. So as you enter the Kalangut beach here, you can see the public. It's around 2:30 PM right here, but the public is full of energy here. You can see the shacks out here. You can rest at these seating places only if you purchase anything from the shacks that are owned by them.
हाय गाइस, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो इट्स टू सनी. सो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी, बस इतना बोलूँगी आफ्टर लॉकडाउन के बाद भी यहाँ पर इतनी रश है लाइक, बट सब लोग यहाँ पर विथ मास्क वगैरह सब है, सब लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं.
No, I cannot see anybody much here.
Actually, I saw so many of them.
Yeah, but the restrictions are not so much.
Yeah. Actually, लेकिन यहाँ के जो रेस्टोरेंट्स, रिजॉर्ट, शेक्स जो थे वो सब कुछ ओपन है ना इधर. ऐसा कुछ लग नहीं रहा है कि कोविड सिचुएशन चल रहा है अभी भी. It looks like everything is normal now.
To maintain the cleanliness of the beach, they've installed these dustbins here. You can see the shacks are in full swing. Kalangut was previously called Kalangut, but the Portuguese changed the name to Kalangut. The Kal in the Kalangut refers to the goddess Kali, which the local fishermen used to worship here. Hence the name Kalangut.
Wow, see the sand is golden. इसीलिए इसको golden beach कहते हैं.
तो जैसे आप लोग देख सकते हैं, beach is fairly clean, but still some tourists are throwing water bottles there. We do have these dustbins installed here to maintain the cleanliness of this place. Tourists के safety के लिए there are lifeguards posted here, so kind of safe. And water sports are in full swing, so like banana rides, jet ski, boat riding, you can see there in the sea out there. कोरोना से पहले अगर आप इस बीच पे आते थे तो आपको इतनी पब्लिक मिलती थी कि आपको कुछ भी चलने को जगह नहीं होती थी. अभी करंटली नाउ टूरिस्ट्स आर कमिंग इन, So it is getting crowded now, slowly. Currently international tourists are quite few, so majority are the domestic tourists out here. Like you can see, Kalangut has lots of beachside restaurants here. So guys, with this we come to the end of another video. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We are loving the support that we are getting from you, and keep giving us the support and love, and we will try to make more content and go to new places. So please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icons. See you in the next video in a new place. Thank you.